How to set an expiration date in WeTransfer Full Guide 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set an expiration date in WeTransfer. This is a useful feature if you want your shared files to be available only for a limited time. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the WeTransfer website. Sign in to your WeTransfer account. Keep in mind that custom expiration dates are available with WeTransfer's paid plans. If you're using the free version, the expiration period is set automatically. Once you're logged in, click *upload files and choose the files you want to share from your computer. Wait until the upload is complete before continuing. Next, click the *transfer settings or settings icon before creating your transfer. Here you'll find different options to manage how your files are shared. Look for the *expiration option. Click on it and choose the length of time you want your files to remain available. Depending on your subscription, you may see options such as a few days, 1 week, several weeks, or even longer. After selecting the expiration date, review your other transfer settings. If needed, you can also enable password protection for extra security before creating the transfer. Now generate your transfer link or send the files directly by email. The expiration date you selected will automatically apply to that transfer. Once the selected time has passed, the download link will no longer work, helping protect your files from future access. If you need your files to stay available for a longer period, you'll need to upload them again or create a new transfer with a different expiration setting, depending